Hi, and today we're outside on a lovely sunny day and we're feeling a bit peckish and we've got a lot of peppers to use up, so we thought, how can we do that? And we found a recipe called a shakshuka, at least I hope that's how you pronounce it. But it's basically peppers, tomatoes, onions, do it all in one dish, really easy, and a good way to use up some of your homegrown veg. Oh, hello.
I've come to help you with a bit of chopping.
Good job you brought that. I needed that. Bit of stirring.
Now what are you making?
We're making a shakshuka.
I want you to say it again.
Can you chop some onions? Stop being a problem. Just chop some onions. Okay. So you can have one large onion or the equivalent in small onions. I grew these, so they're small onions. I'm going to get a bit of heat going here because we're going to start off by frying the onions. You need a lidded pot for this, by the way, because we're going to add some eggs later on and we want to cover it up so that they cook nicely. So we've got the heat on. Going to use a little bit of oil in the pan. Using a bit of coconut oil today because it's nice down on the plot, it doesn't spill. So it's nice and easy to use. Just a bit in the pan. Now we're going to fry a few cumin seeds, teaspoonful of cumin seeds. Get those in. It's time to cook now. Onions in. Hey. And we've just got to let those cook for about 10 minutes or so. Got to chop some peppers. If you've got other colourful peppers, you might have some yellow ones or orange ones. Makes it even more colourful. But basically you just need two good sized peppers, chopped and seeds taken out as well, please. Ooh. Oh!
I hope you're going to include some chilli peppers.
Oh well, yeah, I know you like a bit of heat to your recipes, Tony.
10?
I'm only going to have one of those. How many have you still got?
Plenty.
Thousands.
Thousands. These are chocolate cayenne peppers.
Oh, very nice
so
too.
I think they're probably reasonably hot.
Yeah. Oh,
so,
what do you think? Half or?
Oh.
Oh, you put a whole one in if you like. Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Go on then.
Oh gosh.
Oh, you're going to put the seeds in as well?
Oh,
yes.
yes.
It's going to be hot, isn't
You're
it?
fearless, you are, aren't you?
Okay,
Absolutely fearless.
Okay, let's just do half.
Right, I reckon your peppers can go in now, team. Oh yeah, we'll have to chop garlic in there as well. Yeah, and we're going to, once we've got the peppers in, we'll cook those down for 10 to 15 minutes.
Looking very colourful.
Not bad, is it? The chocolate colour's nice in there.
You want the garlic in?
Yeah, garlic in. Lovely. Well, we'll cook that down for about 10 minutes and then come back and add our passata. Okay, so we've wilted all these down. We've got our, some smells are great, aren't they? Coming off of this.
So
Looking soft.
So now we're bunging our homemade
how did you make that?
We chopped the tomatoes in half. They're just on a baking tray, chopped in half, a little bit of salt and pepper over the top, a few herbs, a bit of thyme, that sort of thing, a bit of oregano, whatever you can find in the garden. Roast them and then put them through a passata maker or a sieve. So that's it. And these, it's been in the freezer by the way as well, so defrosted. Oh, we thought I'm bunging the tomatoes in, Tony.
Oh yeah.
So normally you'd use a tin of tomatoes, but we'll use a chopped tomato to give it a bit of texture. Yeah, a bit of bite to it, and a bit of nice hot smoky paprika. Paprika. Did you say that for me? Half a teaspoon. This is where the whole bottle goes in. Oh, Susie salt. Oh, some of it's going in.
Oh.
No stock in this, so you probably need to put in plenty of seasoning. Percy pepper. Can always bung a bit more in later, can't we?
Oh,
Stir it round. Now we've got to leave it to cook for another 10-15 minutes to reduce, I think is the word, isn't it? Reduce. I remember that now.
Right.
Yeah. Cool. Just let it bubble away. Right, well this has been bubbling away and it's reduced nicely.
It's lovely.
Yeah, nice and thick
lovely
now.
Texture, look at the colours.
I know, the smells.
The idea so they sit in the bottom of the pan a bit.
Yeah, that's it, so hopefully.
Very good at cracking eggs, Steve, I have to say. There's not one broken yet.
Yeah, not so
No
far.
pressure.
No pressure. Oh, you might get a bit of shell in this one. I would better it was single-handed, didn't I? But I'm afraid I can't.
Perfect.
There we go. Lid back on. Turn up, and we'll let them cook. Because the other thing you could do is do it in an oven-proof pan and then pop this in the oven now. But we're on the allotment, so we can't do that. So lid back on.
You have to wait for. Are they supposed to be completely cooked, like
Well,
solid?
the white, yeah. Well, no, runny.
Runny?
Yeah.
Hello, like you like them runny then.
I'm a bit like you with your Brussels last week. This
You're
is
not-
me. I'm a little bit kind of.
Where are your runny eggs?
I'm not a lover of eggs, but I like them with a bit of bacon.
Right, it's been boiling away for another 5 minutes, and the eggs are nicely set. So it depends how you like your eggs, really. So we've put a little bit more salt on, a little bit more pepper, like that. Right,
Bowls.
bowls,
Bowls?
Well, there we go.
bit of juice,
Room for the pudding. And eating.
juice,
Yeah, egg makes a
egg on
difference.
top, yams.
Okay.
It's just nice, isn't it? Nice and runny, but not underdone.
Yeah, hope it's. I like mine runny, but if you don't, obviously leave it on for a bit longer.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Is it all right?
Yeah. Nice.
Actually, although it's not very hot, chilli-wise,
Not
you
hot,
can
hot,
actually
not
taste
hot.
the flavour of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could go for a hotter chilli, I suppose. But yeah, it is there, isn't it? So that's one pot Shakshuka. Set you up for a bit more
Takes
digging.
5 hours to cook.
No, but
is
you
quite
start
quick,
cooking, you do a bit more digging, you come back, do a bit more
burnt.
digging.